pipes are leaking and you need a fix, or the heat's gone cold, leaving you in a mix. Call Precise Services, we're on the way. Plumbing, heating, we'll save your day. Precise Services, we do it all. Big or small, just give us a call. Air, heat, plumbing, or construction too. Electrical fixes, we're here for you. For every season, we've got your back. Keeping cool in summer and warm on track. From wiring lights to building it right, Precise Services shines day and night. Precise Services, we do it all. Big or small, just give us a call. Air, heat, plumbing, or construction too. Electrical fixes, we're here for you. Precise Services, your one-stop crew. For everything you need, we'll see it through.